So I've been a bit overwhelmed. However, I still need to learn new stuff. And we have so much information these days, and it's just not easy for you to keep learning and learning and learning and learning. But you still need this knowledge. So, how do you do it? I found a way to do it using AI. So, this AI, what it's going to do is that it's going to help you and me learn things fast. Let me show you how it works. So I have this video that I wanted to watch on YouTube, but for some reasons, I just could not get through because I've been overwhelmed. But let me show you how I want to actually get all the information from that video and see how I can actually use the information I get from that video to help myself. So the website I want to use for this is called NoteGPT.io. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to try it. Now, what this tool does is that this tool has a lot of tools. Yes, this is a tool that has a lot of tools, but it also has one very important one that we are going to use called this YouTube summarizer. So what happens is I can go to YouTube, I can get a link to a video. Let's say I want to watch this video, but for some reasons, I just do not have the time to watch it, or I just can't watch this video for any reasons at all. I can just come here, click on this YouTube summarizer, and here you can see I can do this with basically anything. I can even do a whole playlist. So I can give it a full link of a playlist, and then it's going to summarize that playlist for me by focusing on the necessary things that I need to know. So I'm going to use a particular video that I wanted to watch. So I already copied the link to that video. So all you have to do is copy a link to the video that you wanted to watch, or any material at all. So here it can even be a video, it can be audio, PDF, web page, and long text and all of that. But I'm going to use video and I can add more links. But I am okay with this. I can just say it should generate the summary. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through the whole video and generate important things for me to focus on. This way I can learn faster and learn effectively. All right. So this is a video I wanted to watch, how to get noticed. This is just a not so long video about brand building and all of that. But again, for some reasons, I just could not watch this video at that very time. So what it does first is that it creates a summary. It creates a summary of each of these videos for you. All right. So this is a summary of the video. So these are the 6 principles of building a personal brand, and this is the key takeaway. So I can just focus on these 6 key takeaways, and that will be all I need to learn instead of watching the whole video. So I can even go further and see all the key recommendations that this video wants me to focus on, all right, or things that I am supposed to learn from this video. But the interesting thing is, again, I can come to the top and I can tell it to create a mind map for me, all right? I can tell it to create a mind map. I can tell it to generate an infographic that focuses on these key topics. So I can just look at it at a glance and I will understand what I am supposed to gain from this video. So if you want to do a mind map, you can do a mind map. If you want to create an infographic, you can create an infographic. If you want it to translate it, you can translate it. And you have other things. If you want to like do more summarized settings, you can do that. So let's tell it to create an infographic. You can come here, tell it to create an infographic. Again, this infographic is in English, all right? It's using the Google Nano Banana, so this is going to be very good. It's going to come out well. So you can select the templates here. You can say maybe you want it to be like cartoon-like, you want it to be hand-drawn, you want it to be instructional, you want it to be like kawaii, I don't know what that means. You want it to be playful, you want it to be bento grid, professional, Also, I can tell it to generate the mind map of this video. And as you can see, it's creating the mind map of the entire content from that video without doing basically anything. So I can just learn without having to watch this video. So if you do not have time to constantly keep consuming videos, you can see the mind map is ready, and I can download the mind map and I can go through it whenever I want. So you can download it as a PNG, as a PDF, and as a markdown, anyhow you want it. But this is a mind map, and if you zoom in or if you open it, you can see the 6 principles to build a personal brand that stands out. So from here, it gives us the 6 core things that we can focus on with a breakdown of each of them that you can also edit and customize as you want. So this is how you can use this AI tool to learn anything fast. Again, I've not watched that video, but I can, with this simple step, get the entire message that that video is trying to convey. So if you want to try this, I'll put a link in the description so you can try it. My name is Goodnoel. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please like the video. If no, you can tell me and I will try to make a better video next time. Please subscribe and I'll see you.